Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social is a community where you can get to share market insights, your market idea, also market strategy. It is also a community where you can get to connect with traders, analysts, and also developers. It is also a community that has a session for any financial market to trade, be it the stock market or the crypto markets or the forex markets or the commodity markets. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. Starting with the trend for the day, we are to expect a bullish move on gold. No, I mean, at first, the previous analysis we did, at first we were anticipating for a good pullback before we eventually see markets, push up. But market did give us just a little bit of a pullback, not much, right? It gave us little pullback. This little, of course, we were expecting a pullback, but this pullback was very little. That it came to tap our 10-period simple moving average. This is where we now add this change whereby market is now pushing up. Remember guys, 10-period simple moving average is a confluence zone. Whenever markets gives you a pullback and it hits a confluence zone, have it that market most of the time will react to that level. Now I want you to pay attention to this. As at the time when market was trading above this 10-period simple moving average, we had a pullback that came to tap our 10-period simple moving average, serving as a confluence that made market to bounce. Market was now able to come back again to hit our 10-period simple moving average, and then we had a bounce right here, which made market to push up. Right now, market has now pulled back here to tap our 10-period simple moving average. So now with this bounce, we are expecting it to push up, meaning we would expect that push up to continue till it is able to completely take out this high. So what we can say is that for the next 2-3 days to come, gold will give us a bullish move. So we have to anticipate for the movement to the upside on gold. Now, our targets, I will say our targets should be a level of 4,681. So we have to target a level of 4,681. That means from this current level to our level where we are predicting it to hit, that will be about 223 pips. So there's a potential 200 plus pips to grab on gold. So if you are not yet in the buy, going for the buy. If you are in the buy, you can still hold in your buy position till market is able to hit our level of 4,681. If there will be changes, I'll make sure I do the update. And if you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit investsocial.com.